Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki don't tell Edo people say make them go collect their permanent voters cards PVCs and vote against the All Progressive Congress APC for the election wey go shele for September 21. The governor talked this one for one ward meeting for Ward 4 Oredo local government area. Governor Obaseki come blast APC say them don't mismanage Nigeria economy and say na APC policies don't cause plenty hardship and suffer for the people. Eko talk say this election na the chance where Edo people get to show say them not dey happy with wetin APC government they do by voting them out. The governor still warn the people against APC plan to scatter the state as he call on voters say make them reject the party for the election. He come encourage every PDP supporter say make their campaign strong and make sure say PDP go win with better margin.
This election now between good and evil. Una one bad. So as we did one before, now no excuse. Una know how many we be for this world. We almost reached 16,000 when collect PVC for this world. Now we don't add almost another 1,500 on top. We go door to door, make everybody come out. Because wetin these people they plan to do for Edo go worse past wetin they do for Nigeria. For them to come out to the campaign the way when they campaign. Say the ShopRite one we they wait for all these years. Say when they come, they go destroy them. They never enter power. You know, they campaign no good word for their mouth. No progress for their mouth. Abuse, curse, lie. Now we want progress. We won't make the suffer when they suffer, make it end. Now let people when go feel make us progress. Now we want. Person or people when sabi, now we want make the rule us. So
make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Oredo local government area of Edo State. Ekata Ojisele, TMC TV News.